Good morning, this is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm here in Smyrna, Tennessee on a brisk December morning. The frost has just melted, but came on a leak call. We've got expired pipe boots. There's also high nails along here. They're contributing to our leaks. It is an aged roof. It's degranulated. We have a low 3 12 pitch. The type B vent has also lost. It's just crumbling when you touch it. It's terrible. So leaks, 3 areas. We also have wind damage along the edge. This has no starter shingle. I'm surprised it lasted this long, that the wood is saturated underneath there. All the silver here on this side of the roof, the roof is ready for a new roof. It's expired and it's time to re-roof. I can advise for some repairs. This roof could be limped along for a year or two. But it's not a good idea because the wood underneath is starting to become exposed to too much moisture, wood rot, wood damage, wood replacement, very costly. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD, Smyrna, Tennessee, on a 3 12 pitch, going up to a 9 12.